Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox One if you can't sign in or you forgot your password. And we're going to do this from the troubleshooting menu. So my Xbox One is turned on. I'm going to hold down the power button right here and then just completely turn it off. And it's not going to be in the instant on mode or anything like that. Now we want to enter into the troubleshooting mode. To do this, press the sync button at the bottom and the eject button and hold these two down at the same time and continue to hold them down. Then press and hold down the Xbox button and continue to hold this down as well. And we're going to hold this down for about 15 to 20 seconds until we hear another chime or some sort of jingle, and then we can let go. So I can see my Xbox One is powering on. Continue to hold this down until you hear that chime. Then you can go ahead and then let go. So I heard the chime. I'm going to let go. Now on my screen is the troubleshooting. Now we can go to where it says reset this Xbox, restore factory defaults. Select this. And we have two options under here. It says keep games and apps, erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations, but keep installed games and applications. This could save you a lot of time downloading games in the future. Otherwise, we have remove everything, erase all accounts, save games, settings, home Xbox associations, and installed games and apps. So if you're going to be reselling, I'd suggest just remove everything and then you can bring over to GameStop or your friend's house, etc. But if you are having problems with your Xbox, go to keep games and apps and just see if that works. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.